Right now, Earth is spinning. You can't feel it. You can't hear it. And from where you're standing, everything seems perfectly still. But depending on where you are on the planet, you may be moving at hundreds of kilometers per hour. At the equator, Earth's surface is traveling at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. Your house is moving. The oceans are moving. The atmosphere is moving. And you are moving with them. Everything feels still because everything is moving together. But imagine, at this exact moment, Earth suddenly stops rotating. The planet stops, but you don't. In the first second, inertia takes over. Everything that was moving with Earth's rotation would try to continue moving east. Near the equator, that means speeds approaching 1,670 kilometers per hour. People, cars, buildings, trees, and enormous amounts of water. The ground beneath them has stopped, but their momentum hasn't. The result would be catastrophic. Imagine the entire atmosphere continuing to race around a planet that has suddenly stopped beneath it. The result would be winds unlike anything in recorded history, a global atmospheric catastrophe, and then the oceans would follow. For a brief moment, the planet we know would become almost unrecognizable. But eventually, friction would begin slowing everything down. The atmosphere, the oceans, the debris. Earth would become quieter again, and anyone somehow surviving the initial catastrophe would discover something strange. The world itself had changed. Look at Earth from space today. It isn't a perfect sphere because the planet rotates. It bulges slightly around the equator. Over immense periods of time, if that rotation disappeared, Earth's equilibrium would change. The oceans would begin redistributing. Coastlines would change. Maps of Earth would eventually look very different. But perhaps the strangest change would happen above us. The sun would no longer cross the sky every 24 hours. Instead, the solar day would become roughly as long as the year. Imagine watching the sun slowly move across the sky, not over hours, but over months. To answer why Earth is spinning, we need to travel back approximately 4.6 billion years. Our solar system began inside an enormous cloud of gas and dust. As it collapsed, it began rotating faster. Earth inherited rotation from that chaotic beginning. Impacts changed its speed. The formation of the moon influenced its evolution, but Earth continued turning, day after day, for billions of years. So tonight, when the sun disappears below the horizon, remember, it isn't really the sun that's leaving. It's you turning away from it. Until next time, keep looking up, because every answer reveals another mystery.